Why do 80% of marketers think AI influencers are the future? Let's dive in. First, pick a niche. This is the topic your AI influencer will focus on, like fitness, fashion, or tech. Next, choose a platform. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, wherever your audience hangs out. Now, the fun part, design your AI's personality. Decide on their look, voice, and quirky traits. Will they be funny? Serious? Craft a backstory that makes them relatable. Time to find the right tool. Use AI creation software like Artbreeder or Replika to bring your influencer to life. These tools help with visuals and interactions. Content is king. Plan a content calendar with engaging posts, stories, and videos. Consistency is key. Keep your AI active and relevant. Lastly, analyze and adjust. Use analytics to see what's working and tweak your strategy. And there you have it. Your AI influencer is ready to take the digital world by storm. Happy creating.